Everyone, I just wanted to do a super quick unboxing. I had an amazing delivery today this morning from Nylon Headbands UK, and they are one of the suppliers that supplies quite a few of the really soft nylon dainty headbands to quite a few of the UK suppliers. They are the super soft ones. They are so stretchy, and like I said, they're the ones are, like I said, super soft, and they don't tend to mark children's heads and things like that. And like I said, I absolutely love these colours. Like I said, she's kindly sent these all for free for me to use in my tutorials. I've just used them today in my latest tutorial, which is this one, which is the mini looped boutique bow, or the baby Lacko baby. So this one, and like I said, I use the super soft headband on that. They are absolutely perfect. Like I said, super stretchy. Just show you here. So much give. Like I said, doesn't mark babies or toddlers sort of heads. Like I said, they're a great size. They come in, this is just not even half of her collection either. This is just some of the colours. So I'll go from this way. I've had to write them down so I don't get them wrong. So obviously I've got black here, bottle green, sage, emerald green, latte, which is the ones I've just used in the tutorials, snow white, buttermilk, true red, pale grey, pastel pink, neon orange, dusty pink, ballet pink. I think this is biscuit, it could be caramel, I'm not entirely sure. Duck egg, perfectly purple, violent, and magnificently merlot. So like I've got a whole range of colours, so I'm going to start using these in some of my tutorials because a friend of the family has had a baby, so I've actually got someone to make the baby headbands for. As you know, my nieces are a tiny bit older, so like I said, they don't typically wear headbands, they normally wear hair bubbles or clips. But like I said, I'm going to start using these in my tutorials. They're amazing quality. I worked out some pricing for you. If you buy a set of 10, they are £4.10, which works out of 40p in a headband. But if you actually buy the bigger bundles, which is 50 for £19, they're 38p each. And if you buy 100, it's £32, and again it works out at 32p each. And you can buy them by colours, or you can buy them in mixes as well. So like I said, you're not limited to just having 100 of one colour, unless you're somebody who prefers to all have all white headbands or all a specific colour. But like I said, it's some great deals. Like I said, they're amazing quality, and she's really lovely. Like I said, she so kindly gifted these all to me for my tutorials. So thanks for watching, and hopefully you found this useful. Bye!